Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because I will be unboxing my new Chanel bag, and I am so pumped for this because I have been dreaming of owning a Chanel handbag since like high school. I would go on YouTube and I would watch unboxings of Chanel bags, and so I recently purchased this from the RealReal, and this is not sponsored at all, but they are an online designer consignment store, and basically they were having this insane sale that I was just like not able to pass up on. And so I am so excited to see the bag for the first time and also show you which bag I ordered. It's really cool ordering through the RealReal though, because you can get some really unique bags, so I think it may be a little bit different than what you are expecting that I would have ordered, but I am so excited and I think it is just perfect based online. I was a little bit nervous because I was out of town when this got delivered, and so my husband Jason's sister Rachel was staying at our house and like watching Riley, and I texted her and I was like, hey, did a box come from UPS? And she was like, I think so, but I don't know if it was UPS. And so I was just like waiting until we got home. We drove home today, so we like literally just got home. I like put some makeup on after my road trip and was like, I have to film this because I have to open it. This is my first time ever ordering from the RealReal. Jason actually bought my Chanel wallet from the RealReal for my birthday back in December of last year, and so that gave me a little bit more confidence to order through them. I know when you're spending a lot of money on like a secondhand designer item, it can be really scary wondering, is this real, is this authentic? And so it's really cool because the RealReal does all the authenticating of it. But I've had tons of people that I know who've ordered through the RealReal, and so when Jason ordered through them, I was pretty confident in ordering for myself. I've also been on Poshmark, and all of those listings seemed really shady to me, and so going through something like the RealReal where they have like actual stores in New York as well, I don't know, it just gave me a little bit more confidence in ordering this. Plus y'all, this bag was on like super sale, and so I just feel like I got a really good deal on this. So yes, okay, I can't wait anymore. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. And the box, when ordering from the RealReal, you get a little pamphlet, and I think this is actually the receipt, and it tells you that it was authenticated. So inside the box, we've got the little Chanel dust bag. Oh, it's perfect. Oh my gosh, y'all, I can't even tell you, I was a little bit nervous ordering a bag online. When you're spending over $1,000 on anything online, you want to be like 100% confident in it, and just because it had been a used bag, I was a little bit nervous, like I can't lie. Like on the way home, I was telling Jason, I was like, I really hope it looks as good in person as it does online. It's like more perfect than it was online. I'm so excited. Okay. Whew. Okay, so this bag was on sale. So this is a final sale item, and it's flawless. It's this beautiful like grayish brown leather. On camera it's translating as gray, but it is like a chocolatey gray brown. This is called I think it's called Crave. It could be Crave, I don't know. But it's called a caviar crave leather, which means that it has this like really nice wrinkling texture on it, which I personally love. I feel like with the lambskin, like the true soft lambskin quilted leather, for me personally, I already have that in my Gucci bags, and the Gucci bag is that really soft leather, so it scratches really easily. You have to be really careful with it. It feels like a really just sturdy leather. I also love that the bottom of it is a lot more sturdy than my Gucci bag. So the Gucci that I have is the Gigi Marmont small Madeleine, and I have an entire unboxing of that video as well, but that really ticks the box for my like elegant black bag, and so I really wanted something that was really different. It's just more perfect in person than it was online, and I'm so happy. So it has a base, it's not like flat, and I believe this is like an 11 by 7 by 3, I believe is what the dimensions were. But this is technically called the Chanel Medium CC Crave Flat Bag. I love it so much. I'm so excited. The strap has this leather on it so that it's like a comfort kind of strap. And also, let's just talk about this closure right here. I mean, how cool is this like antique hardware? Oh my gosh. Do you die? I die. Okay, so we're gonna open it up, twisting the flap. So you open it up, it has the same brown leather, and this is a single flap. Oh, I think I need to cut this actually to do this strap. So this one is a non-returnable one because it was an insane deal, and I'll break down the price because I really did get a really good deal on it, and I'm so happy I did. So this is the strap out like this. This is it together, so you have a little shorter strap option. So it's kind of hard to tell, but the inside is a maroon interior. It has a zipper in the back that says Chanel. It is spotless on the inside. This is not a leather interior, this is their like cotton interior, so I was a little bit worried that it was going to be just a bit more dirty because it's not a leather, like a durable interior, but it is spotless, and it has the little lipstick lining pouch as well as the 2 pockets on the inside like the classic flat bag. I'm so happy. I also was a little bit worried that it was going to be too big, but I think this is the perfect size, and I'll show you what it looks like on my body. But I wear so many browns and neutrals, it's gonna match literally everything I own, and I'm just so stinking happy with how beautiful this is. And like the detail of the Chanel bags, like the engraving on the hardware that says Chanel, and then like it says Chanel here, the detail of these bags are unreal, and it feels like it's been worn in a little bit, but it's amazing condition. Like this honestly could be brand new. Like there's really no scratches on it because it's that crave leather. You can't even tell if there was a scratch on it. So this is what the bag looks like as the shoulder length. I think it is the perfect size for me. I already love it with this outfit. I mean, how stinking cute is this bag? And then this is what the strap length is. Let out like this. This is a really good length because I am 5'2", so just keeping that in mind. And then this is a crossbody, which I think it hits in a really good place. Oh my gosh, I love it. I will break down the price when ordering through the RealReal. So when you order through the RealReal, they are consignment, so you can actually consign with them and you can send in your designer bags and they will like give you a price, and then you'll get paid once it sells. So I actually need to look on my phone because the sheet that it came with doesn't have the price breakdown. It just has what it was sold for. So this bag right here retails for $2,700. Let's just keep that in mind, which I believe because it's stunning. The leather feels amazing. It looks amazing, feels amazing, is amazing, it's amazing. So it retails for $2,700, and when it was on the RealReal, it was on the RealReal for $2,000, and they were having this insane sale with like maybe 40 different handbags, and this was one of them. And then every other bag was like a really weird like version of a Chanel, or like a really weird color of like a Gucci. There was just a lot of bags that weren't selling that were on this sale. So when I saw this one, I was like, what are the chances that this bag doesn't sell so quickly on this sale? Because one, it's beautiful, it's just a gorgeous flat bag. And so when I saw this, I honestly was not looking to buy a Chanel handbag, but I saw this and I saw the sale, and I was like, I feel like if I don't snatch this up, somebody else will, and I won't get this price again. So it was originally $2,000. Then they go ahead and add the tax to the original price, which I think is kind of dumb, but whatever. So the tax was $149, and then it was $12 to ship, which is also kind of annoying that I had to pay for, but it was $400 off of the bag. So normally when they put stuff on sale, they take off like $100 or like 150 bucks, but this bag was $400 off, and so that made this bag $1,600. And I went ahead and I used my like affiliate program to also purchase this bag through the RealReal, which gave me another like $160 off. And so that's just like a really good price on a Chanel, and so I am really happy with my purchase. I feel like this bag is better quality than what I saw online, and I love how unique it is. It's not like the classic black flat bag, which I would love to own. I think those are just classic, but I do have my Gucci bag, and so I didn't want to double up on 2 black designer handbags. So I thought this little guy was a great addition. I'm gonna put some stuff in it. We just got back from the beach. We were in Seaside for a 2-year anniversary trip, and so I took this little backpack with me. This one is from Able, so I've been carrying everything in this. So this has way too much stuff in it because it was like a traveling road trip over there. So first thing that goes in my Chanel bag, little Chanel wallet, and I am so excited to fill oil this little bag up. I just love too that I don't feel like I have to be super careful with it because of this leather. Second thing is this little Chloe cosmetic pouch, which has like all of my lipsticks and stuff because I transfer bags a lot, and also I don't want any lipsticks or products to leak inside of my nicer handbags. So this one will also go in here. And I love how much space this bag has. I feel like I can actually fill it with the things that I have. Mini hairbrush, AirPods, and my little dry shampoo that I take for my bangs, because if you guys have bangs, you understand. But all of this stuff fits in here so easily. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox my new little Chanel bag. I am so happy with the quality and the whole process of ordering through the RealReal. I am honestly pleasantly surprised, and I feel confident ordering through them again. I'll be sure to link some of my favorite RealReal bags down below that I feel like you guys would really love. They have some great deals, and you should check back on the website pretty frequently because they do go on sale pretty often. But also, if it's like a desirable item, it will sell pretty quickly. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and link the ones that I love down below that I think you guys would love. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know what your dream designer handbag is. If you are new to my channel and you would like to stick around, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!